Welcome to Class 8 Maths, Chapter Power Play. We are covering Class 8 Mathematics questions one by one. Today, we will simplify a big power divided by another big power. Here is our next question. 10 to the power 4 over 5 to the power 4. Can we simplify this without expanding everything out? Let us find out. We break down questions step by step to help you understand better. Hit like and subscribe to support the channel. Here is our expression 10 to the 4th over 5 to the 4th. But what does 10 to the 4th actually mean? It is 4 tens multiplied together. 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. And 5 to the 4th? 4 fives multiplied together. 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. So the whole fraction looks like this. Before doing it the smart way, let's first solve this the long way by pairing and simplifying. Now watch what happens when we pair each 10 on top with a 5 on the bottom. 4 tens on top, 4 fives on the bottom, same number of factors. First 10 pairs with first 5, second 10 with second 5, third 10 with third 5, and similarly, fourth 10 with fourth 5. So we regroup into 4 mini fractions and write 4 times 10 over 5. 10 divided by 5 is 2 for each mini fraction. So we get 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is 2 to the 4th power. That worked beautifully. Now for the smart way. Here is our original expression again. Notice something? Both the numerator and denominator have the same exponent, 4. That is no accident. Whenever the exponents match, we can pull out the common exponent. M to the a over n to the a equals m over n, all raised to the power a. Let us apply this property to our problem. In our problem, m is equals to 10, n is equals to 5, and a is equals to 4. So, our expression becomes 10 to the 4th over 5 to the 4th, which can be written as 10 over 5 all to the power 4. And 10 over 5 is just 2, so we get 2 to the 4th. Same answer, much faster. Now for the final calculation, 2 to the 4th power. That means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4, so we have 4 times 4, which is 16. So our answer in exponential form is 2 to the 4th, which equals 16. Beautiful. Here is your reusable recipe. First, check if the exponents match. If they do, pull out the common exponent and divide the bases. Then simplify the base fraction. Finally, compute the resulting power. If the exponents do not match, expand both sides the long way first. Same exponent means you get a shortcut. Matching exponents are like a secret signal. They tell you there is a shortcut hiding inside the fraction. Now you can spot it every time. Keep learning and keep growing. See you in the next question.